I'm going to teach you how we do the 7-minute Brazilians. So this is going to be for somebody that is an experienced waxer, both profession and client. We flip them over and I do both sides. If they need a cleanup strip, then I will do in whatever direction I did not do the first time. I will grab them both at the same time and done. The client is done, the Brazilian's done.
My wax model said her Thundercat needs to be hairy when she goes to North Carolina because it's too cold. But we are doing the bikini line, so that's understandable. I want to say it's like, what, below 30 degrees in North Carolina right now? I'm not sure. But if you are from North Carolina, let me know in the comments. How cold is it out there? Now, this is a color-changing wax, Palette by Black Coral. And as you can see here, she went on to this, like, orangey color. And then she sets to this dark brown color. Kind of like a volcano, if that makes sense. But look at this. The snaturation is there. Yes, that's a word. Okay, that's a word in my wax vocabulary. So don't come for me. If you didn't get a chance to stock up for Black Friday, remember you can always use code WAXINGQUEEN to get your hands on this wax. Going in the opposite direction for cleanups because cleanups are always necessary. I don't know who'll be telling y'all not to do cleanups, but there's always something there. And if it's not waxable, it's at least tweezable. I'm just saying. Do a little stagger when you do a cleanup. Don't mind those hairs over there to the side. We'll get them later. But look at that. So voila, bikini line is ready for North Carolina. Thanks for watching. Bye.